Oh, they're coming. Where you go? Where you go? I got a hummingbird in my shop. Let's see if I can get, where you at? I got a hummingbird in my shop. Bones here out in Bones' job. He's been in here for several hours now. And the doggone birds that come in here just will not dip down and go out the doors. I ain't got no sugar. Dadgummit. Just had something fly by my ear. And I'm turning around. And it's the little hummingbird. It's tired and exhausted, or either sick. I don't know. You thirsty? Are you okay? Okay. Step up. Step up. Come on, step up. Come on. Almost. There you go. Oh. Y'all see I'm perching on my finger? See if I can do it again. I don't know if it was on camera. Step up. Look, his wing is hurt. Step up. Step up. Come on. Come on. Come on, step up. Almost. Come on up. Well, okay. I don't know how to grab one. Oh. Close your little wing. Come on, there you go. There you go. Yes. Are you okay? If it would get a focus. Ah. Now, I got you focused in. Little feller. Little hummingbird. I want to set you outside. Dadgummit. There's some water right here. I'm going to set you down right next to it. Get off my finger. I hope you make it. Bones out here in Bones' job. I don't know what else to do. I'm going to try to take care of you. Careful, careful, careful. Come back, come back. Okay. See you saving the day. Putting them back into the wild. Maybe you're just tired and hungry. Bones out here in Bones' job.